We got the Magic vs. Timberwolves first game of the day today. Hey man, should be a pretty decent one, although Magic down early, I don't know if they're able to come back. But Magic been winning some games. T-Wolves have been losing some games to good teams, so they definitely got to win this one. So it should be a good one. We'll see how it goes down. Not too many games today at all, and I know one of the Pistons and things. I'm not going to react to that. I'll probably hit every single other game though. Hey, get that out of here!
Here's a steal, Wagner.
That's the Wagner.
Wagner with the big one.
Hey, Wagner.
Black to OKK. Good look for three. Got it. Minnesota gets back.
Oh, Anthony.
Tough off-balance jumper. Queen. Scored to Black. Three-pointer, Anthony Black. He got it. Got a long ball starting to fall for the Magic.
Oh, he said get out of my way, number 3.
Shot by Towns. He knocks it in. As Reed fires it to a streaking Anderson. Gotten a lot of easy stuff after that.
Magic, y'all better than that. Daniels.
Long strike to the basket and lays it in.
My first observation is that is a really good group of shooters to be associated with if you're Caleb Houston.
Towns getting it very easy in the low post.
That you use.
Oh!
My, how about that?
Damn!
Drive by Karl Anthony Towns.
Shit.
Paul Mosley wants a word with referee Pat Frere.
Damn, you giving him the business.
For three.
Giving him the business. Oh, 8 man in this game, by the way.
Almost took it away. Blocked the shot. Gets it back from Suggs and stuffs it in.
Where is it? I'm not sure.
Pass, and I think it's a goaltender. Here comes Minnesota. Conley to a streaking lead ahead of the pack.
They are doing a good job now of forcing turnovers and getting out and
running.
For three is one of your league leaders right there.
Damn, they up 25. It's blowout. What is going on? That'll be 30.
They'll give it to Gobert. Daniels and Banchero matched up. That was a matchup of two Seattle natives.
What's going on?
Paolo takes this one into the paint and hooks it in. Towns driving on and a foul on Banchero.
And they're going to get a bucket ready to go up 30 for that. Make it 31. Oh my goodness.
Point shot is good. Give him 2. Toe on the line.
Toe on the line.
Yeah, there's Ant back in the game.
Magic in open court. That's
Suggs.
Randy Greger just talked about us not going against that set defense.
McDaniels a 3 from the corner. It's good. Towns attacking Bataze. Good defense by Goga. Bats it away. Picked up by Suggs. Towns, extra pass to Edwards. Now Conley open for 3. It's good. Jalen Suggs gets into the middle. Shoots over Gobert. Knocks it down.
Get out of here. Like they should know this shit a 30-point game the whole time, bro. How did it get so ugly so early? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Don't letting Gobert do that shit to you.
Edwards.
Fucking embarrassing.
Score the basket for Anthony Edwards.
Normally you've got size, but it's just all sitting over there in street clothes.
Not tonight. Banchero delivers a 2-pointer. That ball might have been blocked by 2 Minnesota players. Edwards on the attack. Poked away and stolen by the Magic. Colts leads the break with Suggs. Suggs tosses it in. That is goaltending and a foul. Steal by Suggs. He's got Fultz. He's going to keep it himself. The shot is blocked by Edwards. It's going to be goaltending on Anthony Edwards. Suggs forces the turnover. Wagner back to Suggs for 3.
And they get a little comeback going. Did we get a little comeback going?
Anthony Towns as he comes in for what? With a spin move, trying to feed Anderson, knocked away, but Towns got it back. Anderson lays it up and in.
Hello!
P5 drops the hammer. Markelle had the double clutch, but he backed it in. Laughlin to Reed. Long 3. It's good. Well, he shoots the 3 ball very well. 40% undrafted player out of LSU.
All of them improved on it too, man. You have to give him credit. I hear it wasn't a good 3% shooter, but I told you that it wasn't the percentage-wise. Don't be fooled. I think he'll get way better at it.
Having a night 28 in the game.
There is no Franz Wagner in this game, by the way, either.
Late in the third quarter.
Well,
Well, that's great team defense. So KK on one side, Suggs on the other. Mo Wagner steals the rebound away from Towns, and that one rolls in. Jordan McLaughlin. McDaniels bouncing.
This is a blowout, bro. It's a blowout.
Count the bucket, I think.
Jalen Suggs. Boy, he's heated up in the second half, hasn't he?
He has.
So KK will drive and pitch it out to Queen. The extra pass finds Suggs. Suggs buries another three.
There you go. That's how it's done.
McDaniels to McLaughlin. Suggs is there. Climbing up high, but he can't block that shot. McLaughlin put it in. McDaniels into Houston. The short shot rolls in for Jaden McDaniels.
This is over. I'm out of here, yo.
Got it for three. Fighting up for Minnesota running supply.
It's over. It's only 6 for Ant. Damn, what the heck? Still destroyed him. 28. Cat went crazy. Good shit for them. Word. Catch y'all at the games later.